Like, comment, and subscribe. Download the free material in the description.
Hello, good evening. I have a reservation.
Good evening. Welcome. May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Ana Lopez.
Thank you, Miss Lopez. Let me check the system.
Sure, take your time.
I see you're booking for 3 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right. 3 nights in a single room.
Perfect. May I see your passport or ID, please?
Of course, here it is.
Thank you. Do you prefer a room on a high floor or low floor?
A high floor, if possible. I like the view.
Certainly, we have a room on the 7th floor.
That sounds wonderful.
Would you like a room with 1 bed or 2?
Just 1 bed, please.
Great. Do you need breakfast included?
Yes, please. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the restaurant.
Perfect. I will definitely go.
Excellent. Here is your room key card.
Thank you. How do I get to the room?
Take the elevator on the left. Your room is number 712.
Got it. Is Wi-Fi free in the room?
Yes, Wi-Fi is free. The password is on the card holder.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do you need help with your luggage?
No, thank you. I can carry it.
Very well. Enjoy your stay, Miss Lopez.
Thanks. I'm sure I will. Have a good night.
Good night, and welcome again.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Download the free material in the description.